Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Fabric 1.21.8. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, then you just need to go to fabricmc.net, press download, and then download for Windows. Save it to your computer. Once it's saved, then go to Fabric API, and then press download and install the latest API to your computer. Download it, right? Save it to your desktop. Sometimes it says unverified, but don't worry, it's perfectly safe. Then what you need to do here is to grab some mods. Go to modrin.com, then go to mods, and then let's download and install Sodium. Select versions here, game versions, and then select 1.21.8. Download, wait for a couple of seconds, select Fabric, download, right? Save it to your computer. Then you should have 3 files. So then the next step, what we need to do here is to completely close Minecraft because installation won't work. And then you just need to install Fabric 1.21.8. Hit install. If for some reason you're getting error here, this means you don't have Java 21. So on Google, you just need to write Java 21, download, and then just download Java 21 or 24 to your computer here, and you will be fine. Then what you need to do here is to launch Minecraft. And select Java Edition, go to installations here, select Fabric Loader 1.21.8, press on the folder, then go to mods folder. If you don't have mods folder, just create one, super easy. And then you just need to drag and drop the files that we just downloaded here, right? Yeah, and that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like.